Hey y'all, so I'm back with a faux locks tutorial. Y'all, let's get into it. All right, let's talk a little bit about these products. So we got our eco styling gel, we have a comb, you gotta have your crochet needle, and then of course we got some hair clips and our hair. All right, so I'm gonna just show y'all one little faux lock. I start out with a little square. I'm gonna apply my eco styling gel, and then we're just gonna braid. I do not braid this entire plait. I probably go down maybe 3 or 4 rows, okay? And so I'm gonna braid that up real quick. And I try not to braid all of it just because I do want the lock in my hair to look natural. Okay, so hopefully the crochet will cover up that initial little bit, and then I'll just crochet the rest of my hair into the lock itself. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this crochet needle. And so I'm just gonna slide this through the base of my braid, okay? But make sure that little piece is open. Once it's slid in, then we're just gonna apply the loop of my crochet faux lock in. And then once we close it, we're gonna pull it back through the base of our braid. Then we're gonna loop the end of the faux lock into, or the end of the faux lock into the loop, excuse me. And then we're just gonna pull that out and we're gonna tighten it. All right, and so from there, this is the easy part, but also the most obnoxious part if you're doing it on yourself. You now have to crochet in your hair through the faux lock itself. And so what I'm gonna do is scrunch up the actual piece of hair, and then I'm gonna slide the crochet needle through, okay, with the little loop open. And then I'm gonna slide in or hook in my real hair, and I'm gonna pull that through. And so it's really the same method all the way through. Once you do it once, you can do it twice and you'll get faster. And so I'm just gonna keep crocheting my hair in there until all of my hair is hidden. And then y'all, that's it, okay? Crochet locks are so simple, they're just time consuming. So that's it, y'all, just like that. And boom, look at us. We have one full faux lock. Ain't it cute, y'all? And so here we go, the finished look, like y'all had already kind of seen in the beginning, but this is just what it is. Y'all, I couldn't show y'all every piece because I can't even tell you how many locks I have in here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Y'all, I'm back and I'm better. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all real soon, all right? Bye.